Let's make a smiley. Put it on the side. I have for the background, I have bright brush. Let's see if you can see me well. Yes, I'm here. Okay, so I have a bright brush, and I'm covering my background. You see? I go from right to left, just like this, long strokes. Yeah, it looks good, but I'll take it off now. It's too light, so I can go over with pencil. And to go over the lines again, I'm taking a pencil, if I find one. I had one here, just a second. Here we go. Just a normal pencil. This one I think is, I don't know even, I think it's HB, something like this. And I go over the lines again, just a little bit, not to miss them later, you know. Here we go. As I said, you can have a traceable on Patreon, but exactly. There we go. It's, you can say even it's dry paint. You see? As I mentioned before, the face will be very realistic, the rest not. Okay, so I give it some highlights here. Here. On the shoulder. You see, I got dirty, so I can cover it again with color. That's why we have our background color. We can always fix it. Should I get here some blue? You can blend it to the white. You don't have to, but you can do it. Here we go. Here it's darker part. Here under that breast. And you see, I just go over the outlines. I give it some shape. And as I said, the hand will be not realistic, so don't pay too much attention to the fingers. Okay. And here also a bit of blue. That's the first layers, yes? So we started with the background, then we moved to white, and now we do it with blue. This is. Yes. So the elbow, it's darker here. And hope you're all doing great out there. I know it's Monday, most of you are at work, but I had the day off, so I thought I can make like the small one. And she will get shadows here, here, under the chin, and also here. Exactly. Very nice. Okay. This leg needs also shadows. Yes. And now I'm using blue for her face. I have my small brush. It's round, small one. And I start to give her some shadows. I will do her lips also now. You see, I'm using only this blue, white, and black will come later. And that's all. There we go. let's do it like this. Just as I said, it's going to be abstract, and I want to blend her into the background. One side, this side will stay bright. Let's see if it looks good. I think so, yeah, I think it will look good. And if you want, you can take a little bit of your background color. It's a little bit different than my other paintings, you know, but I want to show different things. And I said it before, I will make different stuff online. Thank you, Georgia. I will make different stuff. I will show you different kind of textures, and maybe we will make it also with pastels, with pencils. And I have also all colors that you can mix with water. So I thought I can show you also how it looks when I walk live with them. Okay, she got a light like this. Good. I continue now. She needs some highlights on her chin and on her nose. Here we go. Also here and also here. You can always go on my whites again to make them brighter, but it's always dry white, yes, not much water. And on the hair also, she needs to shine. Here we go. And here also. We can make her, you know, long hair. We can do it like this and go over like this. You see? You can play around. Yeah, it's not bad. So I will do it later with black, and I'll make some hair curvy, some curls like this. I think it's nice. Great. Okay. So bit of black. You still can see the blue underneath. And let's make her eyes. Oh, I wanted to make a video for TikTok. I haven't done one. Okay. Now. So I have my brush and I do my black now. If the color is too dry, if the paint is too dry, you just have to use more water, but not too much, not too much. Okay, continue now with the face. The nose I leave like this, just a spot. You see, just a small spot here, and I go on with the lips. Like, you see, and here I will have also here. So here we go. Here also, make your lines not too thick. Try to make them as thin as you can, and if they are too thick, you can always use the background color to fix them. So here I have a little bit of shadow, and so I do it like this. Here, and this, and there we go. I can play with the hair. I can make her what I want to make her. On a press a little bit of shadow and here, and I go with this. But we will make we will do the hair on it, but a little bit will show underneath, so I do it now. That's nice. Okay, and a bit of shadow on air here. Here we go. Yeah, the highlights. And here a little bit. And now I do also here on the eyebrow, here also, and here also, just a little bit on the cheek and on our chin. Long hair like this. And here also. Here we go. Okay. Maybe here some highlights also. Here one. And here. I don't cover my background, yes. I just do it very lightly. Okay. How it looks. That's nice. I can do it like this. So she will get a white stroke. Yeah, I like her. She's nice. I think I'm almost finished with her. I will even keep her like this. Don't do. I can take black. You can take black, and to make, you know, I can do a video now for TikTok. You see, I can take my black and to make some strokes, not too many, just few. Yes, it's nice like this. Let's do it like this. A small one. Here we go. She got the earring, and here a bit of white if you want. Yeah, you can play around. And let's sign our name. It took us also 1 hour. Sign your name. And here we go. She's ready. I hope you like this painting. It's Monday, I know, and most of you are at work maybe, but you can watch it later. It stays on my channel. Thank you very much.